Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you today? Today we will talk about the time. We use the time to measure the period between two events. Okay, and what is the units of the time? We know in a week use as the units of the time, and a day, and can we use an hour and a minute. And the new one this year is a second. Okay, now let's know how to convert from unit to other unit. Okay, a week equal how many days? A week equals 7 days, and a day equal 24 hours, and an hour equal how many minutes? 60 minutes, and the minute equal how many seconds? Equal 60 seconds. So when we move from the bigger to the smallest one, we use by, and when we use from the smallest, or when we move from the smallest to the greatest one, we use division. Okay, so if we convert from week to a day, we by 7, and when we convert from a day to hour, we make by 24, and when we move from hour to minute, we make by 60, and when we move from minute to a second, we make by 60, and when we move from the second, from the smallest unit to minute, the greatest, we make divided 60, and here from minute to hour, we make divided 60, and from hour to day, we divided 24, and from day to week, we divided 7. Okay, and we also know in the year equal how many months? 12 months, and the half year equal 6 months, and the quarter year equal, quarter year يبقى 12 divided 4 equal 3 months. Okay, so if I have 2 days equal how many hours? 24 plus 24 equal 48, or 2.24 equal 48. Okay, we should notice that in a half day equal 12 hours. A half day equal 12 hours, because the day equals 24 hours, a half day equal 12 hours. I divided 24 divided 2 equal 12. Okay, third day equal how many hours? Divided 24 divided 3 equal 8 hours. A quarter day equal how many hours? We divided 24 divided 4 equal 6 hours. Okay, 3/4 day, we know in a quarter day equal 6. So by 3, 6 by 3 equal 18 hours. Okay, what about from hour to minute? A half hour, and we took it before in primary 3, and a half hour equal 30 minutes. A half hour equal 30 minutes, because when I draw this clock, a half on 6, on number 6, and this is 30 minutes. So a half hour equals 30 minutes, or we divided 60 divided 2 equal 30. A third hour equal how many minutes? We divided 60 divided 3 equal 20 hour. 0, put a 0, 60 divided 3 equal 2, and the quarter hour equal 15. We know in the quarter hour on number 3. So what is this? This is a quarter hour, 15 minutes. 15 minutes. 3/4, we on number 9. 15, 30, and 45 minutes. يبقى 3/4 hour equal 45 minutes. Okay, let's take an example. Okay, number A, 2 minutes equal how many seconds? I convert from minutes to second. From minutes to second. Okay, يبقى I move from the bigger to the smaller. يبقى we use by 60. And I have 2 minutes, so I write 2 by 60 equal 0, put 0 on the right when I found any zeros and multiply. Then 2 by 6 equal 12, 120 seconds. Okay, number B, 2.5 hours equal how many minutes? 2.5 hours. From hour 2 minutes. يبقى from bigger to the smaller we use by 60. But here I have 2 hours and half and meaning plus and 2 hours is the same, 2 by 60 plus we know in the half hour equal 30. Yes, excellent. Okay, we should make a multiply at the first. 2 by 60 we put 0 on the right, then 2 by 6 equal 12 plus 30 equal 0 plus 0 equal 0, 2 plus 3 equal 5 and 1, يبقى 150 minutes. Okay, 3 hours equal how many minutes? From hour 2 minutes, we from bigger to the smaller we by 60, يبقى 3 by 60 equal, we put 0 on the right, then 3 by 6, excellent, equal 80, 180 minutes, 180 minutes. In 1 week equal how many hours? In 1 week, from week to hours, from the bigger to the smaller, so we make by, يبقى by 7 by 24 to arrive to the hour, يبقى 1 by 7 by 24. If I found here 2, يبقى 2 by 7 by 24. If I found here 3, يبقى 3 by 7 by 24. I should multiply this 1 by anything equals the same, or by any number equals the same number. Okay, 7 by 24, 7 by 4 equal 28. Yes, excellent. 8 and I have carry up 2. 7 by 2 equal 14. 14 plus 2 equal 16. يبقى 168 hours. Okay, 180 seconds equal how many minutes? Okay, from second 2 minutes, يبقى I move from the smallest to the greatest. يبقى I should make what? Divide, not by, divide 60. Okay, يبقى 180 divided 60. I found up 0 and down 0, so I can remove 0 and 0 from up and down, and from numerator and denominator. Okay, then 18 divided 6 equal 3 minutes. Okay, 3/4 hour. We know in 3/4 hour equal 45, and we kept it before. Okay, 3/4 days. A day equal how many? 24. Okay, and we kept it before. 3/4 days equal 24 divided 4 equal 6 by 3 equal 18. Equal 18, and we keep it before and we write it before in the notes. Okay. Now open your box, page 75, and solve with me. Okay. Some units of measuring time are, what is the units of the time? I said before, a day, and an hour, and a minute, and second. Okay, number B, 1 day equal how many hours? Equal 24 hours. Yes, excellent. And 1 hour equal how many days? 1 hour, I move from from the smaller to bigger, so I make divide, 1/24. Okay, 1 hour equal how many minutes? Equal 60 minutes. And 1 minute equal how many hours? 1/60. Yes, excellent. We make divided. 1 minute equal how many seconds? 60 seconds. And 1 second equal how many minutes? Yes, we make divide, 1/60. Number C, 1 day equal how many hours? 24 hours. And the hour, 24 hours equal how many minutes? From hour to minutes by 60, 24 by 60. Okay, I have 0, put 0 on the right, then make it multiply. 6 by 4 equal 24. I write 4 and I have carry up 2. 2 by 6 equal 12 و 2 equal 14 يبقى 1440 minutes. Okay, ال 1 hour equal how many minutes? Equal yes 60 minutes. طب 60 minutes equal how many second? Yes, ال minute equal to convert from minute to second يبقى by 60 and I have 60 minutes يبقى 60 by 60 and I have how many zeros? Yes, 2 zeros on the right. Then 6 by 6 equal 36. It's be easier. Okay, 1 day equal how many minutes? I get it before. 1 minute, 1 day equal 1440 minutes. يبقى 1440 minutes. Okay, equal how many seconds? يبقى by 60. يبقى I take this number by 60. Okay, I have how many zeros? 2 zeros. يبقى I put 2 zeros on the right, then make it multiply. 6 by 4 equal 24. I write 4 and I have carry up 2. 6 by 4, 24 with 2, 26. I write 6 and I have carry up 2. 6 by 1, 6 with 2 يبقى 8. يبقى 86,400 seconds. Number 2, arrange the following in descending order. يبقى we should start arrange from the biggest number. Okay, 2/3 day, 18 hours, 1020 minutes. Okay, I have 3 different units. I should make the units the same. Okay, which unit I prefer? Okay, I convert every unit to الhour. يبقى I choose الhour. So I convert 2/3 day to how many hour? يبقى to convert from day to hour we by 24. يبقى 2 number 2 2/3 day equal 2/3 by what? By 24. يبقى equal I make it divided at the first. 24 divided 3 equal 8. يبقى 2 by 8 equal 16 hours. Okay, this is the first one, and the second one 18 hour. 18 hour, and the third one 1020 minutes. Okay, 1020 minutes. To convert to hour, we should divide it by 60. يبقى I make divided it by 60. يبقى okay. يبقى 1020 divided 60 equal. I have 1 0 on the numerator and 1 0 on the denominator, so I can remove the 0 with the 0. Then make a division. 1 from the left. 1 divided 6. I can't. I put 0 and make smiley face. 10 divided 6. 10 equal how many 6? Okay, 1. And I have 4. 42 divided 6 equal 17. يبقى equal 17 hours. Okay, يبقى the order what is the biggest number? 16 or 17 or 18? يبقى 18 hours, then 17 hours, and then 16 hours. Okay. Number 3, arrange the following in an ascending order. يبقى we start ascending. يبقى we start from the smallest. Yes, excellent. I have minute and second and hour. Okay, I prefer to convert them to what? To the seconds. Okay, يبقى we should multiply 300 minutes by 60. يبقى number 3 300 minutes equal 300 by 60 يبقى equal how many seconds? I have 30, put 30 on the right, then 3 by 6 equal 18 seconds. Okay, and we convert also the 4 hours equal how many seconds? يبقى 4 by 60 by 60. Yes, excellent. And I have 20 on the right. Then 6 by 6 equal 36. 6 by 6 equal 30. 6 by 4, 4 by 6 equal 24. I write 4 and I have carry up to 4 by 3 equal 12 و 2 equal 14. Okay, يبقى the order. What is the smallest one? ال 14,400 or ال 18,000 or ال 19,000? Yes, ال 14 دي seconds. يبقى ال 14,400 then ال 18,000 then and the last one ال 19,000. Okay, number 4. Mona used to ride her bike in a weekend. Once she rode it at 3 and 10 and finished at 3 and 40. She started from 3 hours and 10 minutes and she ends at 3 and 40 minutes. For how long did she ride her bike on that day? يبقى from 40 to 10 how many minutes? Yes, 40 minus 10 equal 30 minutes. Yes, excellent. يبقى 40 minutes. 30 minutes, okay? 30 minutes. Number 5. Put suitable sign more than or less than or equal. Okay, before we put the sign we should make the units the same. Okay, يبقى number A 3/4 hour والminute. يبقى I convert 3/4 hour to minute. 3/4 equal how many minutes? Equal 45 minutes. Yes, and we know this before. يبقى which يبقى I put less than. The second number B 1/3 of the day with 7 hours. A day equal how many hours? 24. And third day يبقى 24 divided 3 equal 8 hours. يبقى 8 hours ولا 7 hours؟ 8 hours يبقى I put more than 120 seconds and 3 minutes. Yes, I convert what? 3 minutes. I convert the bigger to be easier for me. يبقى 3 by 60 equal 180 seconds. يبقى 180 and 120 يبقى I put less than. Okay, 2 hours and 9,000 seconds. 2 hours يبقى 2 by 60 by 60 because I converted from hour to the second. Yes, I put 20 on the right. Then 6 by 6, 36. 36 by 2, I write here 36. 36 by 2, 2 by 6 equal 12. And I have carry up 1, 2 by 3 equal 6, 1 equal 7. 7,200 seconds. And here 9,000 seconds. I put less than. Okay. The last one, number 6. An engineer works for 8 hours daily in the investment company. يبقى الانجينير works how many hours? 8 hours daily in one day. His salary is 10 pounds for an hour. يبقى his salary 10 pounds. But 10 pounds in what? In an hour. Find his salary in a week. Number B and 7 weeks. But we notice that he works 5 days only on a week. يبقى a week equal 5 days, not 7. Okay. We should at the first get how his salary in a day. يبقى his salary in a day equal, he take what in an hour? 10, and he works how many hour? 8. Yes, excellent. يبقى 10 by 8 equal 80 pounds in a day. يبقى he take 80 pounds in a day. يبقى اوكي، يبقى his salary in a week. Okay, in a day he take 80 by, and the week equal how many days? He tell me 5 days only. By 5. Okay, put a 0 on the right, then 8 by 5 equal 40. يبقى he take 400 pound in a week. بعد كده number B دي number A. number B in 7 weeks he wants his salary in 7 weeks. يبقى his salary in 7 weeks. يبقى we take this number اللي هي for a week اللي هي 400 by 7. Yes, I put 2 zeros on the right, then 4 by 7 equal 28 pounds. يبقى he take in 7 weeks 2800.